Bonjour Katu, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the last type of articles, that is les articles partitifs. So, article partitive is used when we talk about an unspecified quantity of something that can not actually be counted. So, no actual count can be known of that particular item. For example, we say a glass of water. Here, the quantity is known in the form of a glass. However, when we say some rice or some water, then in these two examples, we do not know the quantity. It is uncountable. Then we use les articles partitifs. These four are going to be used when the quantity is uncountable. So the first one is due. It is used with a masculine singular noun. Dala, it is used with a feminine singular noun. The L apostrophe is used before or in front of a vowel when the noun is masculine or feminine singular. They is used before a masculine or a feminine plural noun. So let's take up some sentences. Je mange du pain. This means I eat or I am eating some bread. The pronunciation is pain. These four mean some, give a sense of some or few. Here, the sense is some. Since bread or pain is a masculine singular noun, so we have used du. Nous achetons des pommes. Pomme is apple. Apples, pomme. We are buying the apples or some apples. The quantity is not known over here. Ils veulent du fromage. They want some cheese. Fromage. Tu prends de l'argent. L'argent means money or silver. Here the context is of money. L'argent. So these are the four sentences in affirmation. Je mange du pain because pain is masculine singular, so we have used du. Nous achetons des pommes because it is in plural, so we have used they. Ils veulent du fromage. This is in fromage is masculine singular, so we have used du. And argent, since it is starting with a vowel, so we have used the L apostrophe. So these are the four sentences in affirmation. There is one rule in negation. Please jot this rule down. The first thing is that when we form the sentence in negation, these sentences in negation, du, the la, the L apostrophe, and they, these change to the or D apostrophe. To simplify, du, the la, and they, these change to the, and the L apostrophe change to D apostrophe. So this is for negation. If I take two sentences from this, let's take the fourth sentence. Tu ne prends pas the, and L apostrophe will change into D apostrophe. So in negation, it will be tu ne prends pas d'argent. These are the sentences. If we change this sentence in negation, nous n'achetons pas de pommes. They will change into the in this sentence. So let's take the first sentence. Je ne mange pas de pain. And the third sentence will become like this: il ne veut pas de fromage in negation. So these are the sentences in negation following the rule of negation. Let's go into this particular exercise. Elle prend dash café. Café means coffee. It is a masculine singular noun. Pronunciation is café. So we will use du. Il n'achète pas dash legume. Legume means vegetables. Since it is a negation, so we will use de. Il n'achète pas de légumes. Je fais, yoga is yoga. Pronunciation is also as it is in Hindi. This will be du, since yoga is a masculine singular noun. Il a dash courage. Courage means courage. It is a masculine singular form noun, so we will use du. The four article particles are also used for abstract ideas. Example: courage, patience. So this is why it is used over here. He has some courage. The fifth one, nous ne mangions pas salade. This means salad. Salad. This sentence is in negation, so we will use the. Elle boit dash lait. Lait means milk. Pronunciation is lait. It is a masculine singular noun, so we will use du. Nous buvons dash l'eau. Here we will use D L apostrophe, the and L apostrophe, since it is starting with a vowel. This means water. We are drinking or we drink some water. Tu fais dash danse. Danse means dance. You do some dance. So dance is feminine singular. So we'll use dala. Vous ne prenez pas dash thé. It means tea. You are not taking or you don't take some tea. It is a masculine singular noun and it is also in negation. So we will use the. J'achète dash farine, which means flour. It is a feminine singular noun, so we will use dala. Elle mange dash fruit. It is a plural, masculine plural noun, so we will use they. The pronunciation is fruit. Nous n'avons pas, last one, patience. It is in negation, so we will use the. So these are the sentences which will help you understand the usage of partitive articles as well as the formation of sentences, and some of the new vocabulary is used over here. Please remember these sentences in negation. They can be a bit tricky. Second, fifth, ninth, and 12th. I'm giving you the pronunciation as well as the meanings of all these sentences once again. Elle prend du café. She takes some coffee. Elle n'achète pas de légumes. They are not buying some vegetables. Je fais du yoga. I do some yoga. Il a du courage. He has some courage. Nous ne mangeons pas de salade. We are not eating some salad. Elle boit du lait. She is drinking some milk. Nous buvons de l'eau. This means we are drinking some water. Tu fais de la danse. This means you are doing some dance. Vous ne prenez pas de thé. You are not taking some tea. J'achète de la farine. I buy some flour. Elle mange des fruits. She is eating some fruits. Nous n'avons de patience. This means we do not have some patience. So these are the sentences. Here we have done the rule for negation and affirmation. So I hope I have been able to make you understand this topic. Kindly like the video. Please share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. And please press the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates on time. Share your sentences in the comment section and atre bientôt.